Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're checking out this e-writing board. So this is 15 inches. I actually use one of these every single day. It's probably about that, well no, it's about that big. I use that in my office to write down stuff that I have to get done every single day. And I'm telling you guys, it is a lifesaver because you can just write stuff and erase it. Don't have to always use paper and waste money buying paper. Yeah, I mean, even on the back it says save paper, save trees, take notes precisely, draw freely, create with no limitations, capture your inspiration anywhere. So we decided we wanted to get a much bigger one so I can write more stuff. And this one is going to be more of a weekly, while the other one's daily. So weekly, what I need to get done. Let's see here. Alright, so, I don't know, this is pretty nice. So you have a lock and unlock button. And if you are new to these types of things, this is what it looks like. So it just looks like kind of almost a monitor screen. I actually like that it has a pen holder. That's really nice. And this is the pen. And basically what you do here is you write down anything you want. You can draw, you can write down stuff and keep notes, and then you have it saved. And when you're done with that, you just press the center button and it erases it, you know, right before your eyes. This is great for kids as well for drawing. And then you press the button right here and goodbye, it's gone. However, if you don't want something to accidentally get erased, so let's say you have a weekly thing, you can then write on there, and on the bottom there's this little button. If you push it to the left, it allows you to erase it. If you push it to the right, now when you press the button, nothing happens. It stays on here. So this one is nice. I like it. It's large. You can customize it. It's very lightweight. So if you wanted to put magnets on the back, you could, and then stick it on something. You could put it on a whiteboard or whatever you guys want. But overall, this is definitely replacing our daily one. We're still going to keep our daily one for other things, but for I guess I should say our weekly one we're replacing with this. But yeah, definitely guys, I mean, once you have one of these and you use it for business, you guys aren't going to want to go back, and your kids will love it as well. So make sure you buy them their own though because you don't want them playing with yours.